लास्ट वीक से, जैसे कि मैंने शुरू इंट्रो में कहा, कि हमने पाकिस्तान स्टॉक मार्केट को भी देखना शुरू किया है और उसकी काफ़ी ज़्यादा हमारे पास अच्छा रिस्पांस हमें मिला है। सो इस वक्त मेरे साथ हैं असद कलीम। ही इज़ अ सीनियर फाइनेंशियल जर्नलिस्ट इन पाकिस्तान और उनकी काफ़ी गहरी नज़र है पाकिस्तान बिजनेस पे और पाकिस्तान के स्टॉक मार्केट पे। तो आए इंशाल्लाह उनसे बात करते हैं एंड विल सी कि वो हमारे साथ क्या शेयर करने वाले हैं। हमने इनसे डिस्कस करना है एनर्जी सेक्टर के बारे में, क्योंकि आज हमारा प्रोग्राम एनर्जी के हवाले से है। तो विल सी कि पाकिस्तान में एनर्जी सेक्टर कैसे जो है वो काम करता है और उसकी क्या जो है वो चैलेंजेस हैं जो वो फेस करते हैं वहाँ पे, एंड व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इफ़ वी फ्रॉम इन्वेस्टिंग परस्पेक्टिव वी नीड टू इन्वेस्ट इन एनी कंपनी, विच कंपनी वुड दैट बी। सो लेट्स टॉक विद असद कलीम भाई। आज हमारे साथ हैं असद कलीम, और असद कलीम जो हैं वो सीनियर फाइनेंशियल जर्नलिस्ट हैं पाकिस्तान में एक मशहूर इदारे के साथ। आज हम इनसे बात करते हैं पाकिस्तान की स्टॉक मार्केट में इस वक्त क्या चल रहा है एंड व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज बीन गोइंग ऑन देयर। अस्सलाम वालेकुम असद भाई, हाउ आर यू?
Walaikum assalam. I'm fine, thank you.
Thank you
How are
so
you, sir?
very much for joining the show. I know it's really late on your side, but really appreciate that you are part of the show.
Thank you.
All right, so I would like to just ask, how is oil sector being defined in Pakistan? I believe the reason why I'm asking, because there are a lot of speculation being going on this side of the world, like from North America, on energy sector, because we have covered a couple of energy stocks here as well. But I would just to understand, how is Pakistani energy sector being going on? So if you could shed some light on it.
Uh, First of all, Pakistan is net oil importer as far
Mm-hmm.
as this crude oil thing and petroleum products are concerned.
Mm-hmm.
And Pakistan heavily rely on imports,
Mm-hmm.
basically from Middle East and Gulf countries,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
particularly from Saudi Arabia.
Right.
And the exploration, inland of exploration of the oil and other natural resources have been dropped by significant, we can say just by 25% in
Mm-hmm.
10 years. And right now, Pakistan is trying to explore its own resources in which it is not very successful.
Mm-hmm.
So we are heavily relying on imports, and
Mm-hmm.
the world markets are tumbling down right now.
Okay.
This
Very
is
good.
what in Pakistan is exactly.
Very good. So, what different challenges you guys are facing from importing? Is it more infrastructure issues? Is it more regulatory issues? Like how exactly is being, because based on those challenges what you face, that will impact the companies who are selling and who are importing energy in Pakistan. So, what are different challenges which you guys are having there?
There are many challenges because
Mm-hmm.
rupee depreciation is the basic factor in which Pakistan is facing problems. Because of this, prices go high of everything. Pakistan imports oil on higher prices, and because of the rupee depreciation against the dollar, at one time it was 5 6 years ago it was 100 rupee a dollar. Now it's
Right.
more than 280, around
Right.
300 rupees a dollar.
Right.
And way back 6 months back or 8 months back, it was around 330 rupees a dollar.
Mm-hmm.
This is the basic challenge. Pakistan has to uh, hold firm about its currency. It should not depreciate against dollar, in which
Mm-hmm.
Pakistan is not very successful. As far as energy sector is concerned, and
Mm-hmm.
particularly the oil sector, Pakistan has two options now.
Mm-hmm.
Because of this Trump tariff, which
Right.
has made a hue and cry all over the world.
Almost everywhere we are getting impacted too.
All the world is upside down because of
Right.
this. Trump has waged a war against China. So Pakistan is considering importing US crude oil, WTI.
Okay.
Pakistan these days, right from its inception till now, Pakistan is using Brent crude. But now
Okay.
Pakistan is looking for this option that they should import crude from the United States. This is one thing. And another thing, recently Pakistan has done a mineral investment forum in Pakistan a couple of weeks ago, in which Pakistan entered a joint venture with Turkey, in which Pakistan is exploring 44 blocks in Indus
Mm-hmm.
Basin and Punjab area, for which they are hoping that they should uh, exploit their own resources for their betterment. This is
Okay.
what
Okay.
we are
No,
seeing.
no, That's very well. That's very well said here. Now, from companies' perspective, who are listed in Pakistan stock market, which are either selling the oil energy products, or either they are kind of refining them. So, which ones are the key ones which are been happening? So, I heard PSO, Pakistan State Oil, is one of the key company there, and then OGDC, that's another one. So, share some light on it, and what are the stock prices being going on? I'll show it to the audience as well. But from company perspective, is this the right companies if someone would like to get involved in it? And this is only for education purposes, because that's what we tell to our audience as well. So what are different companies in Pakistan which follows that at all?
You mentioned PSO. That is a very good question, because what we see, Pakistan Stock Exchange, PSO is trading at around 396 rupees a share. And it has increased 3.12% other than the previous close. And its 52-week range is 154 rupees to 465. It means during 52 weeks period, it went down to 154 rupees a share, and then it comes up again up to 465 rupees a share.
Okay.
PSO is heavily rely on what global dynamics of oil market and energy sector goes around, and same happens with it. But its earning per share is very much higher, which is around more than 15 rupees per share. And the second quarter of Pakistan's fiscal year begins from July 1. And the second quarter of this current fiscal year, PSO posted more than 15 rupees EPS, earning per share, which is very good. And for a long time, a medium to long-term period, if one buy PSO share and holds it, then it will be a very good profit-making opportunity.
Very good.
That's what I see.
Very good. No, thank you so much. And on other than oil sector, I believe you mentioned there is one of the company in the banking sector who did for the very first time stock split in Pakistan. Is this UBL, or is this something else? I believe you did chat.
Yes, it's United Bank Limited. And only in first quarter it surpasses its previous year's whole profit. It's net income, and it grew by more than 200%.
Wow!
Only in one quarter, because of the higher interest rates in Pakistan. In Pakistan, basic benchmark interest rate, which is discount rate, is still high, and banks opted to go for government securities, which are Pakistan's investment bonds or treasury bills, and they invest heavily on these papers.
Very good.
They are very secure and foolproof investment. So UBL adopted a two-tier strategy for its investment. It broadens its consumer base, and it offers many products on consumer-based products. And another thing that UBL did, it split its share. Per share value was rupees 10. Now it divided it to 2, and it offered 11 rupees per share bonus because of this windfall profit. And apart from that, it also offered a split 2-1 shares.
Very good.
So if you have 2 shares, you will get another share.
Yes, and that's what
what happened.
That's what we have seen here in North America. Whenever a company do a stock split, that company grows in a different direction right after that. So that's what we have seen in here as well. Anyways, thank you so very much, Asad bhai. It was a really pleasure having you on the show. Inshallah, we'll see you in the next episode as well, and then we'll keep it going as we go further. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
So this was it, folks. आज आपने देखे